Under the slogan Making Intralogistics Smart Together, Stihl brought a large number of European customers and trade press to Hamburg this autumn. In the Stihl arena, the manufacturer gave its vision of the near future. True to Stihl tradition, the message was also wrapped up in a tasty show. Stihl explained its vision through 5 themes: energy, products, automation, services and circularity. Products included a spotlight on a compact successor of the RX50, the RXE 1016C 3-wheeler. However, Stihl placed most emphasis on the decision to bring the classic line of trucks, in addition to the RXE Excellence line. Classic trucks that are perfectly adequate for light to moderate intensive use. They are simpler in design and therefore up to about 30% more favorable in price. We see this classic strategy in warehouse and forklift trucks, but also within automation and energy concepts, 2 of the other themes. In automation, Stihl distinguishes between green and brownfield projects. In greenfield projects, where optimization is easier from the start, horizontal transport solutions are perfectly possible with an ACH AMR. In brownfield projects, a much more intelligent automation is necessary, and that is where the self-learning AXH is deployed. At energy, perhaps the most fascinating topic in Hamburg, Stihl showed its own fuel cell. It will be on the market from next year for the 20-volt warehouse truck line. Per tank load of hydrogen, the truck will run for 8 hours. The fuel cell provides a continuous power supply to the 3 kW lithium-ion battery, as it is necessary for energy peak during acceleration and regenerating braking. Fuel cell technology is going to play a big role, Stihl predicts, but until then the manufacturer is betting heavily on lithium-ion batteries. Here, too, they distinguish between excellence and classic batteries. The classic lithium-ion batteries contain cell technology that has a less demanding charging speed and temperature ranges than the Excellence line, and thus the price can be up to 30% lower. Whether it is Excellence or Classic line, or even lead-acid batteries, peak charging load should be avoided because they determine the cost structure of the energy contracts. This is why Stihl developed smart chargers that communicate with each other via the smart energy system to best coordinate and distribute the necessary charging energy. Smart is also seen in services, where Stihl can now include other truck brands into its next fleet management system. With this, customers with large mixed fleets are better relieved and can be given better advice on optimization from a central overview position. Finally, circularity was explained via the concept study of the newly to be developed RXE 20 forklift. The strategy is based on avoiding waste and recycling raw materials in all areas related to the production, deployment and recycling of a Stihl product. With these 5 interesting themes, it is clear that Making Intralogistics Smart Together will be continued by Stihl in the coming months and years.